This is where we came in, so this is what I say. All you mothers, have a lovely, happy Mother's Day, and from me, Dave Stead, thank you very much. This is where we came in, as I said. The same singer. Same sort of, you know what. Help me out. I'm singing this song for 50 years. Trains and boats and planes were passing by. They mean a trip to Paris or Rome, to someone else, but not for me. The trains and the boats and planes took you away from me. We were so in love and high above, we had a star to wish upon wish when things come true, but not for me. The trains and the boats and planes took you away from me. Thank you very much, everybody. It's been wonderful. You've had some corny songs today, but still, doesn't make any difference whatsoever. Trains and boats and planes took you away, but every time I see them I pray. And if my bird can cross the sea, the trains and the boats and planes will bring you back home to me. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I truly did love my mother, yeah. We used to argue like hell, but that was just part of it. We were too much alike, as Pat, my sister, will tell you. Thank you all. From me, Dave Stead, have a lovely, happy Mothering Sunday. That's what we used to call it, Mothering Sunday. Not Mother's Day, Mothering Sunday. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm going to watch the golf, see Tiger Woods after, and I hope he wins. Paddy bye.